Alright everybody, welcome back to the 4Runner cast, where I talk about whatever I want on my way to work. So if you don't know, the SR5 is the base model 4Runner. This is an SR5 Premium. So this has like the leather seats, heated seats, a couple different things, the navigation, full touchscreen, sunroof, a couple other little parts and pieces here and there, nothing too great after that. But it is four-wheel drive. They do make SR5s in two-wheel drive that you got to watch out for if you're looking for one. You might not think about it. So the next level up from the SR5 Premium is the TRD Off-Road, which gets you a lot of different little bells and whistles for really off-roading. I know it has the crawl control, different modes for off-roading. You get some different buttons and dials for all that kind of fun stuff. You get a hood scoop, you get a skid plate, you get some front and rear fascias on the 4Runner to protect it from whenever you're off-roading. And then you can step up to the TRD Off-Road Pro, which has all those things, plus Fox shocks and just some interior upgrades, couple things I'm sure I'm going to miss and make some TRD Off-Road Pro owners mad. But to keep this short and sweet, the reason I bought the SR5 Premium was this was a used model of 2016, and this was the best example that I could find for a good price. Now, if you are in the market for these things, 4Runners are pretty expensive for what you're getting, technology-wise and whatnot. A brand new one in the same model is like $45,000. To bump up to the TRD Off-Road is only a couple more $1,000s when you're buying brand new. The whole reason I bought this and was okay with the SR5 was I'm not doing any kind of crazy off-roading. This thing has four-wheel drive. It has a couple different modes, downhill control, downhill speed control, downhill descent control, something like that. But this is just a daily driver, get me back and forth to work. If I do need to off-road, I have four-wheel drive. I have the upgraded tires, the all-terrain tires, the KO2s on it. And the biggest thing I'm probably going to run into is going to be snow. And just having four-wheel drive and a good set of tires is going to be all you really need. Now, this doesn't have locking differentials, which is probably the one thing that I wish it did that the off-road has. But I bought this car for $25,000 with a clean Carfax, one owner. It was just such a great deal. If I would have came across a TRD off-road with the same history, around the same price, I probably would have bought that too. But for me, it all came down to buying the used market, finding a good example that wasn't in an accident, didn't have 5 owners, wasn't a rental vehicle, and that's what this was. And if I was living out west and was out in the desert or the mountains all the time, I might have had a different thought process there. But for me, for what probably 95% of people are going to use these vehicles for, an SR5 Premium is plenty enough. Alright, we'll see you in the next 4Runner cast. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Peace.